Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a video, whether it's a YouTube, Facebook, computer, whatever video it is in hosting your website builder. First thing I want you to do is log into your HPanel, come here on the left hand panel, click on websites, and then I want you to just open up your website that you want to add a video to. So I'll click on edit website for this one right here, and then once the website loads up, on the left hand panel we'll get a bunch of options. And what I want you to do is click here on elements. And then if we scroll down here, you'll see we have a lot of options here. So we have video. So I want you to go ahead and take video and I want you to drag it onto your page. You can place this wherever you want, but the essential thing is click here on edit video. And then what you need to do is go ahead and add a link. So once you click on edit video, you can add a video link. So if I come here to the channel, you can just right click on this and then click on copy link address. And if we come back here, we're able to paste in our video link, as you can see. And you can also upload the video itself. If you want, you can have it autoplay or loop. If you want, you can also hide the video controls so they would not be able to go ahead and pause and do things like that. And now we can go ahead and save our changes, and you can also go live if you want. Really that easy. If you found this video helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. Really helps me out as well.